Tesla wins Autopilot lawsuit in Germany. August 15, 2022. Back in 2020, a Munich court ruled that Tesla was employing misleading marketing strategies in Germany due to the company's use of the words autopilot and full self-driving for its advanced driver assist systems. The organization that filed the lawsuit was the Wettbewerbszentrale Competition Center, a network of companies and one of the largest, most influential national self-regulatory institutions in Germany. The competitor center alleged that Tesla's use of the words autopilot included in its vehicles was misleading marketing since the EVs still require a driver to operate. The group also accused Tesla of selling its cars with the promise that they are capable of automatic driving in town. An apparent reference to city streets driving, a feature of the company's full self-driving suite, even when the reports of the lawsuit emerged. However, it was noted that Tesla could appeal the court's ruling. And appeal the company did. The appeal was handled by the Higher Regional Court of Munich, which, in turn, ruled in Tesla's favor last October. However, the decision itself was reportedly made public only recently, according to industry insider TeslaMag.de, which was able to confirm the verdict. The victory was an important one for Tesla, especially since the competition center was initially looking to ban the company's use of words like autopilot in its marketing. The Higher Regional Court of Munich rejected this suggestion, stating that anybody visiting Tesla's website with the intention to purchase an electric vehicle is appropriately informed that the car they are purchasing is not fully autonomous. That being said, the competition center did have a minor win in its efforts to rein in Tesla's alleged misleading marketing on autopilot and FSD. Tesla would have to alter some language on its official website in Germany when referring to its vehicle's future features. In the case of FSD, for example, the system's advanced functions would have to be listed with an estimated availability in the near future instead of by the end of the year. Tesla's successful appeal with the Higher Regional Court of Munich is reportedly final. Hopefully, Tesla will be equally successful in the United States, especially since the California Department of Motor Vehicles also initiated legal action against the electric vehicle maker over its use of the words autopilot and full self-driving for its vehicle's advanced features. Anita Gore, the California DMV's Deputy Director for the Office of Public Affairs, noted that the legal action is aimed at preventing driver misunderstanding and misuse of new vehicle technologies. Source reposted and summarized from Simon Alvarez at Tesla RT. My take in this case. Justice finally came to the correct decision. Tesla is opening a fourth Austin showroom. August 15, 2022. It looks like Tesla will open a new showroom in Northeast Austin, Texas, within the next year, as per reporting by The Real Deal. The new location will be in a renovated one-story building to attract Tesla to the space. Boyd Watterson Asset Management, the building owner, is sinking $1.5 million into renovations, with a cost of $29 per square foot. This is not a small renovation but should provide an ideal space for Tesla to show off their vehicles. As per the reporting, Chipman Design Architecture will be the designer in the space. Both the designer and building owner are located in Illinois. Austin, of course, is home to Giga Texas and is the headquarters of Tesla. Elon Musk's other two companies, SpaceX and The Boring Company, also have facilities in and around Austin. Tesla did not confirm any reports on this new building. This will be the fourth Tesla showroom in the Texas capital and should be ready by the end of February 2023. For those in the Austin area who want to check out the renovations, the new showroom will be at 2323 Ridgepoint Drive. Source reposted and summarized from Scott Nordland at Drive Tesla Canada. My take: Tesla is expanding very well in Austin. Tesla Giga Shanghai made its 1 millionth EV, August 15, 2022. Tesla China's Gigafactory Shanghai made its millionth electric car, bringing the total to over 3 million cars that Tesla has made. Tesla CEO Elon Musk announced the milestone on Twitter. The Tesla China team has been working tirelessly to produce and export Tesla's best-selling vehicles. A few days ago, Tesla RT reported on the massive shipment of vehicles that Tesla was preparing to ship. Photographs and videos were taken of the Shanghai South Port Terminal. Tesla China has been focusing on exports, aligning with CEO Elon Musk's plan for the Shanghai factory to be Tesla's primary vehicle export hub. During the Cyber Roundup, Elon Musk announced that Tesla had produced its 3 millionth car. Tesla is also planning to achieve a 2 million vehicle run rate by the end of this year. Tesla is already more than halfway there. Elon Musk said that Tesla achieved an annualized run rate of 1.5 million vehicles and credited the hard work of Tesla's employees as the reason for its success. We're aiming to achieve a 2 million vehicle run rate by the end of the year. Thanks to the hard work of the Tesla team, we've already been able to achieve a 1.5 million unit annualized run rate. And depending on how the rest of this year goes, I think we might get close to, or we'll get approximately at the 1.5 million mark. And will be exiting the year at a 2 million unit run rate. Tesla reached its 1 million car milestone in March 2020 and the Fremont factory manufactured its 2 millionth car in July 2022. Now, less than a month later, Tesla has already produced its 3 millionth car and Giga Shanghai made its first millionth vehicle this month. Each of these milestones was commemorated with a red Tesla. In 2020, Tesla marked its milestone with a red Model Y at Fremont last month. Tesla marked the milestone with a red Model 3 Performance. Red is a great color for marking this milestone. Source reposted and summarized from John Crider at Tesla RT. My take: how long before they make their 2 millionth car? Sometime in 2023. George Soros buys Tesla stock. August 15, 2022. According to a Friday filing with the Securities and Exchange Commission, George Soros increased his investments in several tech stocks. The Soros Fund Management opened a new position in Tesla with a total of 29,883 shares worth over $20 million. The management fund also added investments in Ford, Uber, and Twitter while adding to existing stakes in Lucid and NIO. Earlier this year, Soros sold his 1.26 million shares in General Motors. His decision to buy a new $20 million stake in Tesla's stock comes just after Tesla's shareholders voted in favor of a 3-to-1 stock split which will take place on August 25. Along with Tesla, the fund sold cut back, and also invested in various electric vehicle stocks this year. He held 8 million shares of Proterra in Q1 2022 but currently holds 2.82 million. In Q1, he liquidated his shares in Fisker and Li Cycle, which is a lithium-ion recycling company. The management fund bought 29.5 million shares in Ford, which sold 27,140 EVs in the US in 2021 compared with Tesla's 930,422 EVs produced and 936,172 EVs delivered. Ford began delivering its F-150 Lightning EV in May, and since then, the company has seen a jump in EV sales. Ford has also increased EV production and saw a 76.6% growth in EV sales in June 2022 compared with June 2021. Perhaps the success Ford is seeing in the EV space emboldened its CEO to poke Elon Musk. We are really on a mission at Ford to lead an electric and digital revolution for many, not few. And I have to say the shining light for us at Ford is this beautiful Lightning made right down the road in Dearborn, right here in the state of Michigan. Already the leader of all EV pickup trucks in our industry in the United States, said Ford CEO Jim Farley, who added, "Take that, Elon Musk." Soros investments in both companies as well as other EV automakers such as Lucid will most likely inspire more investors to consider investing in EV stocks. Source reposted and summarized from John Crider at Tesla RT. My take: George is a little late to the party. Better late than never though.